efforts to convince VP Lenny to run for president?
We're not losing hope na magbabago pa ang desisyon ni VP Lenny na tumakbo ulit sa 2028. Because for me, she's the most winnable among opposition, possible or potential opposition candidates.
Why, ma'am? Why is she most winnable?
Alam niyo, kasi noon, di ba, kaya she was not able to make it kasi nag-unite yung Marcos and the Duterte forces. And then we have seen what's happening. We have seen how this country is being run. We have seen all of these corruption issues being, is there. The corruption issues are there, and it affects both sides. The corruption issues. So, ngayon, siguro naman yung mga hindi bumoto kay VP Lenny noon, ay pagkakataon nila para mag-reflect uli na sa mga pangyayari ngayon sa takbo ng ating ekonomiya, sa takbo ng overall state ng ating bansa, the national affairs. We need somebody like VP Lenny Robredo, who's not only clean but very capable, at yung kanyang advocacy talaga, clean and good governance. Pag merong clean and good governance, mababawasan significantly. I'm not saying na mawawala na ang korupsyon, pero at least it would be significantly reduced for sure kapag ang isang leader ay tunay na pinapairal ang clean and good governance.